Welcome to the test bench. Today we've got a Blue Sea WeatherDeck 6-position fuse panel. This is a really cool product out of Blue Sea. It is a weatherproof fuse panel, so this can be mounted directly in open air on the side of your boat, exposed to wind, wave, rain, all that kind of good stuff. And you can configure it and mount it kind of in any which way you want. I'm going to mount it vertically like this. Back side of the panel, you can see I've got my positive bus here to land my power on. We've got a negative terminal here for the LED lights, and then I've got my loads going out for all your positives going out. So no negative bus on this guy though, just the positive. So we're going to go ahead and hook this guy up real quick. So I'm going to put my test power on the negative, and then we will connect up to the bus. Now you can see when they're off, these switches are going to be red. And then if you flip a load on, they turn green. Really cool design on this one. I actually got the fuse set up. They make this in a couple different configurations. They make it as just plain switches that are backlit. Then you can also get them with push to reset breakers in there. And then you can also get the fuse setup. The fuse setup is the only one that changes the colors on this. I really like this. It's going to get mounted down kind of low at your feet in the cockpit on my sailboat to control the running lights, steaming lights, let's see, the foredeck light, anchor lights, that kind of stuff, cabin lights. So really easy to access those switches and lights. And then you should be able to go and see the position of these pretty easily, because some of them, when you're looking at like a tricolor on the mast or an anchor light, it can be very difficult to see if that's on or off from the deck. So being able to have that indicator is really nice, especially at night when you can't see the position of the switches. So the other item on this, you can take this cover off, and then you get a weatherproof seal over the fuses, and you pull that back, and then you get all your fuses in here, which is super nice as well, because these are going to be really low draw LED running lights, navigation lights. So really only need about 1 amp for most of these lights, which they don't even go down that low on a circuit breaker. So really small wires on some of these, like 18 gauge wire on some of the lights that come from the factory. So having a small fuse in there offers a lot of nice protection. Yeah, overall, pretty cool product, easy to wire up, and I think it'll look great on the boat.